Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about double chance and with fire emoji. But today I need to explain how fire emoji works and how can you change up to very nice option, sure option, okay? But let me explain first about fire emoji. Let me explain. Let do as example for this. Okay, you see this one 2x have a fire emoji 2x. Okay, it's very good odds 1.10. okay, it means 1.10. So whenever you see the emoji like this, even if have a for this place, even if have a for this place, I need you to know how you can shift from to avoid a fire emoji, because it's not good for you. Sometimes the robots trying to to lie you. Okay, so I need you to understand. After explaining this strategy, I'm going to show you how you can predict a long bet by using this 1x. It calls DC. Okay, so I need you to understand this fire emoji first. Whenever you see this, just avoid to choose like this 2x. Just avoid. Even if will happen that option, avoid. Okay, just use another option. They are trying to do a something can never happen to show you that this must happen, but no, but don't happen. Okay, if you see like this for 2x fire emoji, just choose 1 and 2, which means 1 and 2 from this. Let me explain this. From this 2x, when you take, let me show you this 2x, if you combine 1x, both these options can happen. Okay, so I need you to understand that. So you must choose 1 and 2. Okay, so leave this and choose 1 and 2, which means anyone can win, home team or away team. Okay, so you are safer to choose this option. Let me find another one to show a different, okay, a different like this. Just look at this. For option like this, you may choose anyone can win, this one. Okay, let me explain another fire emoji like this too. Sometimes you may use your brain. Okay, for this one you may choose, look at, you may choose this one. This is very good strategy that can give you a win. Even here, you may choose this one, anyone can win. Okay, even this one you may choose anyone can win. It's very good for this strategy, I'm sure that you're going to make a profit. Okay, you're going to make a profit about this strategy. Just find a fire emoji. Just find a fire emoji. Okay, I will explain very well. Okay, whenever you see like this, guys, this match is very tough. Okay, it's very tough. Why I'm telling you it's very tough? Because both of these teams have opportunity to win. Both of these teams have opportunity to win the match. Okay, so this match can happen even a draw, but even home win. Avoid these higher odds. Avoid these higher odds. Just choose a lower odds, and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit about this strategy. Okay, just find a fire emoji. Okay, fire emoji. Okay, fire emoji. Look at this. I have 12 teams and I have 10 odds. So assume that we are going to stake 30,000. Okay, let us look at profit. Okay, this is a profit, guys. Okay, it's very good profit. So even if you need to predict a long bet, you are safe to go. Even if a 30 match, even if 50 matches, you are good to go, guys. And someday you will make more profit. You will win big about this strategy, because this strategy is very good. It's very powerful. So you need to use this if you need to make more profit about this betting. Okay, more profit about this betting. So let me give you a booking code. Maybe you can try and to see what is going to happen. Okay, let us look what something will happen. This is a booking code for these matches. Okay, I have 12 matches and I'm sure that you are going to make a profit about these matches. Okay, guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to get it. So just relax, just relax your brain, just find this strategy very well, follow very well, and I'm sure one day you will be winning big money. Okay, thank you so much.